Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hey, we're out here checking out just newly listed pool home. Hang out, check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right guys, we're out here at 151 Comanche Lane. This was just listed a couple days ago, 648.5. Sits on a huge, big corner lot. Has a pool at the corner of a cul-de-sac right next to Cisco Drive, which could be a little busy, but you know, it's all relative here in Havasu. Really nicely landscaped in the front. So I was looking for some side parking, but evidently the lot belongs to this guy. And there's no space on the side. There is a clean out right there, and they obviously have their fifth wheel here because this part's on their property. It does say it has 9-foot garage doors, so we're gonna double check that. Let's go on in and check it out. All right, guys, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath pool home built in 2005, 1,651 square feet. Sits on a big 11,761 square foot lot. Again, this was just listed for 648.5. Nice big open living area, plank tile floors, vaulted ceilings. This also has a split floor plan, so the master's on one side and the guest bedrooms are on the other. Nice slider out to the backyard pool area. So it has a real nice kitchen with granite tops, eat-at counter. Nice sunken sink with reverse osmosis at the sink as well. Stainless appliances. A little dining nook back here. Little kitchen island. All right, so the rear of the house, you have your indoor laundry, garage door access, and your master has a door out to the backyard pool area. Vaulted ceilings in here as well. So you have your master bath with a glass door, walk-in tiled shower. Little linen closet. Toilet has its own door, has dual sinks. You also have a skylight in here and a walk-in closet. All right, on the other side of the house, you have your first guest bedroom at the front of the house. Double slider glass doors for your closet. In the middle of the hall, you have your guest bath. Also has granite and a glass door tiled shower bath combo. And then at the end of the hall, the back of the house, you have guest bedroom number 2. So back on the other side of the house, you have your indoor laundry and your garage door access. So you have a nice garage setup, has a 2-car side, or it's actually a 1-car side with a 22-foot bay and a 9-foot door. Both of these doors are 9 feet. And then you have a real nice 50-foot bay, also with a 9-foot door. There is a mini split AC in here. There's RO, water softener. And at the rear of the garage, you have a roll-up door for back door access or backyard access. All right, so out the living room slider, you have a real nice backyard setup. Pool area with travertine decking. Nice gas fire pit. Real nice pool. The margarita table, Baja shelf. Nicely landscaped back here. Looks like it has a couple spill pots and a waterfall by the spa over there, which is like a regular spa. Nice covered patio with some shades. Let's see what's over here real quick. So this is where all your pool equipment lives. They put a sunshade over it, which is a good idea. And then here's your little rear door access from the garage. There's also Malibu lights everywhere, so it probably lights up pretty nice at night. Here's your standalone spa. Alright guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Comanche. Again, this one was just listed a couple days ago for $648,500. I'll put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video so you guys get the original listing pictures, current price, and availability. Of course, if you guys have any questions at all, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.